Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I want to do a quick little video on colour blocking and how using the right colours in the right places can elongate your body and make it look more evened out. So let's get on with it and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, outfit number one. I've got my wide leg jeans, a black blouse which is untucked, and then a contrasting dark pair of sneakers. So if you can see, I'm colour blocked from my hips to my shoulders are black, and then I've got the dark shoes with the lighter coloured jeans. So what it's actually doing is making my legs look really short. So in order to fix that, we're going to tuck in the blouse. So automatically that makes a big difference. And so it's more from the waist down. Then if we get rid of those shoes and pop on a lighter colour, sorry, this is taking me a little bit. Okay, so we have the black blouse tucked in, so then the eye goes straight to the waist, and then we have the light coloured jeans and the light coloured shoes, so the eye is going from the waist and flowing easily all the way down, making my legs look longer. So I hope that one makes sense. Let's get to outfit number two. Okay, so outfit number two, I have a black dress and this denim shirt open over the top and these tan coloured clogs. But what it's doing again is the shirt is too long for the amount of fabric in the skirt. So what it's doing is it's chopping my legs off and making me look really top heavy. And then we've got the contrasting coloured shoes, which again are chopping me up the feet. So I've got the shirt, which is chopping me to the hips, and then we go down to my ankles, and then a contrasting pair of shoes. So it's actually making my legs look like they're about this long. So what we're going to do to change that is got black shoes, to swap out the long denim shirt for a cropped denim jacket. So again, what has happened is the jacket is cropped, so it's coming again in at the waist, and then from the waist down is all the same colour, so it's elongating my bottom half. Now, it doesn't have to be black tights, black shoes, but I would pick probably black tights, black shoes if you were wearing a coloured or patterned skirt. Okay? Alright, I hope this has helped. Sorry if I've rushed through these videos. My camera's about to go flat and it takes ages to charge. So thank you all very much and I'll see you next week. Bye.